How to sign out from Google Play Store on Android. So if you want to sign out of your Google Play Store, then first open up your Google Play Store application. And let me tell you one thing, that you don't have an option of sign out, right? So instead of that, you can simply remove your account from your device. Or you can also simply switch your account instead of signing out. So what you can do is open up your Play Store and then go for your profile, which is on the upper right. And then you can go for the drop down bar, which is here on the right side, and you can choose another account to log in. So if you choose another account, then your previous account will be signed out and you will be logged into this account. So that's how you can sign out of your Google Play Store. Or you can also simply remove all of that, and then you can open up your settings and scroll down, go for account or accounts, and you will have all of the accounts on your device. So simply choose the Google account which you are signed in on your Google. So once you tap on that, here you will have remove account. So tap on remove account and your account will be removed from your device and you will be automatically signed out of your Google Play Store. So that's how you can sign out from Google Play Store on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.